Hey guys, today is September 30th of 2020 and I want to do a quick update on the pound dollar. I want to go over the price action and what's I guess it's like a midweek update. I figure I could do that if I have the time. As you can see, we got a nice pop on the pound dollar. It's hovering around 29.23. Maybe want to retest this 29.29 high. Maybe push higher all the way to 29.87, but I believe it's going to go higher and it's going to test some resistance. So I wanted to go over our uh, our chart and our technique. We can see here. Let's go over here first. Well, let's go over here. So right now, using Elliott wave according to this software, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's assuming we're going to go lower to complete a wave 5 according to this chart. We can see that wave 4 anywhere between 29.90 all the way to 30.65. This is a seasonal inverted. Tops out October the 8th, so keep an eye on that. This is a cycle using the 200, I believe 78. It's a long period. It tops out over here. This one is using the 57, which is a dominant cycle. It tops out on the 12th. Somewhere around the 12th, there could be a top. Whatever that week of the 12th is, there's a couple of things lining up. This one is the 13, 12, around there. Looking at our Stokes, very bullish. This is a daily chart, by the way. MACD is about to go positive. I went over the cycle. RSI, now it's starting to turn up. Elliott trigger pointing up. So that's all looking good. Short term, we got a nice little bottom here, and adding more trend lines and regression channels pointing up, so that's good. You can see right here, I think this is a 50 SMA, so that's going to be our challenge. We're probably going to kiss it. If we fail, then we're probably going to go lower. This is our resistance right here. Resistance, all this level right here. This is the ellipse. The ellipse ends on the 2nd. I believe that's a Friday. Friday. So be careful for a possible turn. Maybe it could go all the way up, test his resistance, and then on Friday, tank. So be mindful of that. We have a Fourier signal for Friday, Saturday, but leaning more on Friday. So be careful. This is another technique I use at the end of these ellipses. Sometimes turning points happen. So we'll see. Let's see what else. Gann box. You can see that we kind of went below it. Now find support. This is a big one coming from on high, and this is going to be possible resistance also. Let's see there. Nothing there. All right. So let's go into our Fourier. We started out the week forecast that this Monday, Tuesday was going to be hot. I got in long yesterday at 28.67 and went through a lot of heat because it was pulling back. It was just kind of going back and forth. The dollar was getting strong and weak and strong, and finally we got a pop today. And now this is not real time, but I'm sure we're gonna probably retest these levels. As you can look at the market profile, somewhere around here, it's a little choppy. There's a big gap right here at 29.50, and then there's some gaps over here. So there's going to be a lot of resistance. Turning point, we have Bradley here. Turning point was 10 possible turning points are 10.2, 10.1, which today's Wednesday, so possible tomorrow and then Friday. So if we go all the way up here and we kind of stall out, tomorrow could be a possible turning point, which could push it lower. So I recommend you trail your stops up. And if it continues, if it goes sideways here and then it just pushes up higher, or we just kind of, stall out here and then go into tomorrow and into Friday pushing higher and we kind of stall out here, then this could be a possible turning point. So these are the ones for this week. So far, this one worked out really good, even though it got a little crazy. What else I wanted to show you? I think that's it. Let's look at the seasonal again, and nothing's really changed. The 5th, that's another day you want to watch also, because that's when the annual decimal tops out. We have a cycle that tops out here for next week. So be careful. Let's see if the bulls could hold it here and then go next week. We get like a little, bull flag or just sideways action and then continue higher. It'll be great. We'll go higher. But if not, we could probably turn down, because there's a lot of stuff, topping out here, and then also, into 2 weeks from now. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the pound dollar using Gann theory, Gann techniques. I'll see you again.